Are your plants not thriving no matter how much love you give them? You might be making some of these very common gardening mistakes, but don't worry, we're here to help you fix them. Let's dive into 19 gardening mistakes you need to avoid to keep your garden lush, healthy, and thriving. 1. Overwatering. Too much water drowns roots and leads to rot. Always check soil moisture before watering. 2. Underwatering. On the flip side, dry soil stresses plants. Know your plant's specific water needs. 3. Poor soil drainage. If your soil doesn't drain well, roots suffocate. Add compost or sand to improve it. 4. Planting too deep. Burying stems can lead to rot. Seeds and plants should be at the right depth. 5. Ignoring sunlight needs. Some plants love sun, others wilt in it. Always check sunlight requirements before planting. 6. Using chemical fertilizers too often. Over-fertilizing can burn roots and harm beneficial soil microbes. 7. Wrong plant in the wrong place. Tropical plants don't like cold zones. Choose varieties suited to your climate. 8. Skipping mulch. Mulching keeps moisture in and weeds out. Don't skip it. 9. Not testing soil pH. If your soil is too acidic or alkaline, your plants won't absorb nutrients properly. 10. Planting too close together. Overcrowding causes poor airflow and disease. Give your plants room to grow. 11. Ignoring pest prevention. Don't wait for pests to invade. Use natural deterrents or barriers early. 12. Forgetting to prune. Dead or diseased branches suck energy from the plant. Prune regularly. 13. Watering at the wrong time. Water early in the morning, not midday or at night, to prevent evaporation or fungus. 14. Using the wrong tools. Old, dull tools can harm plants. Keep your gear sharp and clean. 15. Planting out of season. Each plant has a growing season. Learn your zone's calendar and follow it. 16. Neglecting crop rotation. If you're growing vegetables, rotating crops prevents soil depletion and disease buildup. 17. Not labeling plants. It's easy to forget what you planted. Use labels for clarity and care routines. 18. Ignoring companion planting. Some plants grow better next to others. Do your research to get the most out of your garden space. 19. Giving up too soon. Gardening takes patience. Don't be discouraged by small failures, they're just part of the process. Avoid these mistakes, and your garden will thank you with vibrant blooms and healthy growth. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart home and garden tips from Organized House Ideas.